Karwar-based news channel alleges that authorities at Goa border charge money for testing but let in people without any test. Will the government investigate? In a Goa twist to Sushant Singh Rajput's case, Enforcement Directorate summons Goa-based hotelier Gaurav Arya for questioning. Goan link with drug angle suspected. NCP investigates Goa angle too. In a shocking incident, a body of an infant was found at a garbage site at Vasco's Gandhinagar area. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. New twist to Sushant Singh Rajput case. On Friday evening, the Enforcement Directorate summoned Gaurav Arya on 31st August at 11 in the morning for interrogation under the provision of Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Arya is a businessman owning hotels in the North Belt and living in Goa. The CBI is already investigating the case. On Thursday, there was a big hullabaloo as the Goa angle to the Sushant Singh death and drugs went viral. Here's more.
हॉटेलाच्या भायर आसा एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट ईडीच्या डायरेक्टर असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर राजीव कुमार हाणें एक नोटीस लायलेलो आसा गौरव आर्याचेर की ताका 31st 8/20 11 हजर रावपाक टू गौरव आर्या टॅमरीन हॉटेल अंजुना तेंच्यांनी येवन बेल बी वाजोवन पळयली. हांगा सगळे CCTV बी कॅमेरा बी सगळे आसात पण कोणूच भितरल्यान कोण रिस्पॉन्स दिना ताका लागून तेणी नोटीस मारला आनी गेला.
The Enforcement Directorate went to Arya's residence as a part of their investigation. His restaurant, Cafe Kotiga and other resorts are famous as a part of the coastal nightlife. Earlier, ED had grilled Riya Chakrabarti and her brother on the money laundering angle. The Narcotics Control Bureau Team 2 is investigating the drug angle connected to Sushant's death. This has once again brought to fore Goa's nightlife and drug usage there. Earlier, Sushant Singh Rajput's sister on Friday had rebutted his girlfriend, that is Riya Chakrabarti. The late actor's girlfriend had given an interview on Thursday where she had his family members for not being around with him when he was fighting depression. Sushant's sister Kirti had rebutted that, saying that the family was always there, standing solid, rocked next to him and for him. She also accused Riya for using the media for tarnishing the image of her brother and accusing him of drug use to save herself. He also reiterated her allegation that Sushant was drugged, confined and isolated by Riya, who she claimed even forced Sushant to cut short his visit to Chandigarh, where he had gone to meet his family. Riya Chakrabarti, who dated actor in last few months, had been accused by his family for leaving off him, mentally harassing him and driving him to his death. Sushant Singh Rajput's father has accused her of poisoning his son. It is Sandeep Kamulkar and Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
The state authorities are looting common people coming from Karnataka. Money is being collected from all and sundry on the pretext of testing. But no testing is being done and people are being let through or making payments. This allegation is being made by a Karnataka media outlet and it has gone viral on social media. Is this true? Government has to investigate.
There have been allegations about unproven about money being collected at the borders without any testing being done. However, this now allegation is being directly made in this news clip, which figures of more than 2,000 rupees till 5,000 rupees are being bandied about. Watch.
गोवाक एंट्री करता जाल्यार मुख्य म्हणल्यार 2,000 रुपये दिवन घेवन कोरोना टेस्ट करून घेवन भितर वचूंक जाय आशिल्लें. जाल्यार आतां गोवा भितर अशें चलतें ना. खाली दाखयेच खातीर खाली 2,000 रुपये टेस्टिंगाक म्हणून घेते आसात जाल्यार सगळ्या खंयच्यान पयशे घेवन टेस्ट करनासतना गोवा भितर सोडते आसात. हे आतां सगळ्या खंयच्यान आरोप आयकते येयला.
The channel also alleged that in case any Goan wants to enter Karnataka and come back in a couple of hours, the authorities do not hassle you. But on the Goan side, it doesn't matter. You still have to pay, apparently for test, for stay and various other reasons. See the allegations made by this channel. Watch.
हे असो आरोप अजून गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाचेर येयला तर हो आरोप कंटिन्यू उरतलो.
Zgoa 365 Bureau Report.
A lot of roads are in pathetic shape in the state. Potholes are a norm instead of the exception, and many roads resemble lunarscapes. The saddest part is once the road is repaired, within a matter of days the repairs peel off. And sadder still are even most newly tarred roads cannot weather the first rains.
The Ravanphone Cafe Road is a prime example. In many places, the tar has washed off and you can only see inside is khadi. People are asking as to why the government cannot ensure proper engineering and see that the water does not remain on the road and spoil the tar watch.
रावणफोड सकून आख्खे कुंकळे आनी ह्या सायडीन वयता तो सगळो रस्तो केपें पर्यंत थंयच्यान थंय डिस्टन्स जो आहा पळय एक तरी ह्या रोडाक 3 आमदार लागता. 3 आमदार हेजेर अजून पर्यंत एकटो देखून लक्ष घेवंक ना आनी रोडाची जी दशा जाला आज ती बिकट जाला. जेवणा टायमार अचानक घरा कडेन वचपा आसता, कोणा भुरग्याक पावोवपा आसता आनी कितें आसता, त्या टायमार जर रस्तो आमी चोयनासतना एक खंयच्याय खणा पडलो तो ऑन द स्पॉट डेथ. अशें करून रस्त्याची परिस्थिती जाला. इतले व्हडले व्हडले खण ते जावन देखून जर एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर तुमी कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिता आनी तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर एक पावसांत देखून ते रोड सारके ना जाल्यार घालून कितें फायदो म्हाका सांगा पळया. एक MLAs लक्ष दिवन तेंचेर एक्शन घेवपा जाय. एक पावसानूच जर रस्तो पेड्यार जाता जाल्यार घालून कितें फायदो. आनी ह्या रस्त्याची इतू पाड जाला, बायक घेवन वचपा सोड, कार गाडी घेवन वचपा सोड, चलोवन देखून वयत जाल्यार लोक कोणा पडून मरतले. अशी जाला परिस्थिती.
हो मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोडान जी फोंडकुलां आहा ही फोंडकुलां चंद्रार पसून दिसची ना. डायरेक्ट चंद्रार पसून गोंयकार पावलो जाल्यार इतली फोंडकुलां मेळची ती फोंडकुलां दिसूंक लागना. हाजेर कळटा क्वॉलिटी कंट्रोल PWDचो खंय पावला आनी सरकार खंय पावला. म्हाका दिसता सरकार लॉकडावन जाल्लो आहा. ह्या लॉकडावनाक क्वॉलिटी कंट्रोल कांयच ना. जंय कमिशनां घेवन रस्ते केल्या थंय फोंडकुलां पडल्या. फातोर्डा मतदारसंघांतून चॅक करा खंय फोंडकूल दिसता.
In Vasco, the situation is much worse. A cylinder carrying vehicle got stuck in the middle of the road after switch chamber collapsed, creating a huge pothole.
सकाळी इकरांक सुमार सिलिंडराची गाडी येताली. हिंगा जाली बोल्लोली गाडी सगळे लोकांक वचपाक म्हणून वयताली. समजीच एक टायर घेवन भितर गेली. इतलो रोड हॉलो जालोलो आहा भिरांत सारकी. कित्याक आख्खो आमचो बेल्ट फिशींग बेल्ट रातचे टेम्पो वयताय, बोरी गाडी वयताय, भुरगीं भोंवताय. फाल्यां कोणाकूय कितें जावं शकता रातचें. रेड बॅनर एसं डेंजरस म्हूण घालून दवरला कित्याक रातची कोण जाणा कोणाकूय कितें वायट जावंक शकता. सो हांव मागता PWD कडेन बेगीन एक्शन घेवचें आनी इवन सेवरेज डिपार्टमेंट बिकॉज हिंगा सेवरेज टँक आहा व्हडली. ही सगल्यांक त्रास जातालो. देखून बेगीचे बेगीन हें काम करचें कित्याक पावस येयल्यार आनी चड जातलें आनी चड वायट जातलें आनी आमकां रोडूच आसची ना.
It is Ramesh Naik Raut and Hiru Mahale for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Lokayukta has asked the government to reply to a questionnaire on various aspects of the alleged scam in payments to various persons in the name of a scheme for construction workers and labourers, the complainant said on Friday after the hearing. The next date has been fixed for September 2. The final orders were initially supposed to have been delivered. Here are the details.
Goa Forward Party had filed a complaint with the Lokayukta against the alleged diversion of COVID labour funds by government. GF Vice President Durgadas Kamath had alleged that BJP workers have been favoured under this Labourgate scam, as he called it, in the name of construction workers and labourers.
ताणें आज क्वेश्चनर तांकां दिल्लो आनी ताणें क्लियर कट सांगला की सप्टेंबर 2 तारखे पयलीं जर तुमचें येना जाल्यार तो ही वील गो अहेड एंड इशू and pass the orders on this in this matter. A last chance to the department till 2nd September to come up and submit detailed report which they have failed for the last 5-6 hearings. As final hearing जावपाचें आशिल्लें but he is not at all satisfied with the answers आनी जालें म्हणल्यार तो जे विचारता आनी डिपार्टमेंटान सबमीट केल्या भलत्योच फॉर्मां म्हणजे कश्यो वेगळे दुसऱ्या स्किमीचे फॉर्मां हे केला पळय. स्कीम फॉर फायनान्शियल एसिस्टन्स फॉर एज्युकेशन, स्कीम फॉर विमेन, फॉर्म ऑफ मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट, सगळे ही फॉर्मां दिल्ली आसात विच हॅज नथींग टू डू वीथ द लेबर गेट स्कॅम. म्हणजे हांचे कडेन मसालो काय ना, दे आर इन अ ट्रॅप, दे आर कॉट रेड हँडेड looting the state exchequer, and Goa Forward Party has taken this from the day one, and we will see that this goes to the logical conclusion, and those people who have taken the money, whether they are Panchayat, Sarpanchayat, BJP's workers, land up behind the bars in this matter.
Durgadas gave details about the earlier hearings as well as the one that happened on Friday.
फर्स्ट त्यांना सबमिट केल्ले रिप्लाय, ताणें सांगिल्लें की लेबर इन्स्पेक्टरांनी तांकां रजिस्टर केल्लें म्हणून. हे अत्यंत खोटारडेपणां आसा, ते फोटिंगपणाचे गजाली सरकारचो लाग. कारण हे तांकां रजिस्टर केल्यात, हे तांकां रजिस्टर लेबर इन्स्पेक्टरांनी करूनाशिल्ले. हांकां रजिस्टर केल्ले लेबर नेट इंडिया प्रायवेट लिमिटेड म्हण कंपनीन, आनी लेबरांक रजिस्टर करपाक सुद्दां हे कंपनीक पयशे दिल्ले आसा. म्हणून आज तातूंत आनी काडला आनी ताणें क्लियर कट विचारला की whether any verification of the claims made by company were made. The amount paid by government to the Labour Net Service India Private Limited since January till date. म्हणजे लोकांक तुमकां वास लागलो की जे डिपार्टमेंट उलयता, जे सरकार उलयता, जे भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे सरकार उलयता प्रमोद सावंताचे, ते अत्यंत फटींगपणाचे गजाल्यो करता आनी मिसगायड करपाचे हांगा प्रयत्न चालू आहा.
Amar Chowria for Goa 365 from Ribandar.
There seems to be a disconnect in the Margao Municipal Council. On Friday, the SOPA auction was supposed to happen, but it was cancelled. And the reason? The chairperson says that she was not even informed, was not shown the file, and the decision was taken bypassing her. Here's more.
On Friday, the Margao Municipality Chairperson Pooja Naik got the SOPA auction cancelled. She wanted an investigation on how it was done and why, without informing anybody.
पेपराचेर तुमी पळयल्ले आसतले सोपो कलेक्शना खातीर आमी टेंडर जो घातिल्लो, तितून एक आसा की सीन बाय द चेअरपर्सन म्हणून बरयल्लें आसा. सो ती फायल एक्चुली म्हज्या कडेन येवंकूच नाशिल्ली टेंडराची. त्या कारणां खातीर हांवें आयज मेन एटीओक आपोवन आमचे सगळे इन्वेस्टिगेट केले. दुसरें म्हटल्यार म्हाका कळून आयलें की तितून आमी लास्ट टायम जेन्ना आमची डॉक्टर बबिता चेअरपर्सन आशिल्ली तेन्ना आमी हें केल्लें की कोणी एक्सपिरियन्स आशिल्लो मनीस येवपाचो, कित्याक आमकां रेवेन्यू येवपाचो म्युनिसिपालिटी. कित्याक आनी एक फावटी खंय कोण तरी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आयलो 3 म्हयन्यान सोडून गेलो, फेस्तां जाता मागीर वयतात ती. तें ना जावचें म्हणून आमी एक्सपिरियन्स आसलेलो कोण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर येवचें म्हणून हें केल्लें. तें कितें तरी म्हाजे नजरेन आयलां, कितें तरी भितून आतांच्या हितून ना म्हणून. सो तेजेर इन्वेस्टिगेट जावपाचें सगळें हेका लागून हांवें आयचो टेंडर कॅन्सल करपाक सांगला. एटीओक सुद्दां आमच्या आयज आमी चीफ ऑफिसराक फोन करपाक सांगला आनी सीओनूय सांगला की हो सद्या आतां इन्वेस्टिगेट जावचें हेजेर, त्या म्हणसर हो टेंडर जो आसा तो कॅन्सल करपाचो. आयज हेजें ऑप्शन जावचें न्हू.
So it is to be get confirmed after another meeting. Due to urgency आमी टेंडर काडलो कळ्ळें. आनी आतां कितें जालें, आतां डिस्कस विथ द मॅडम, ती म्हणटा आपल्या सीन, बट एज पर रेजोल्युशन तेमी घेतलें म्हणून आमी ते टेंडर फ्रॉड केल्लो. आनी ती मॅडम कितें म्हणटा कन्फर्मेशन जालें ना रेजोल्युशन घेतलें तें, आनी आपल्याक खबर ना म्हणटा. हय हय पोस्टपोन केलो. So I have discussed with the CEO. This has been auction has been postponed.
कोणी घेतलेली रेजोल्युशन?
Resolution has been taken by the council, to re-tender.
But the decision was not good enough and had gone down the well with the people who had come for the auction. An upset Milagros Fernandez, who was a former contractor for the SOPA collection, was one of the participants who alleged that this was made through politics and wanted to know the reason to why it was done. Listen in.
म्युनिसिपालिटीचो टेंडर आहा म्हणून पेपराचेर येयल्ले. ते पेपराचेर चोवन आमी येयले आनी तेंची ती फॉर्मेलिटी आहा तितली केली आनी तेचे पयशे आमी भरले 88,000 तेंची कितें आहा ती आनीक 3,000. सो सगळे भरून आमी हिंगा येयले आनी आयज तेंचो टेंडर आवट जावपाचो आसलो. ती टेंडर म्हळ्यार ती पावणी. आतां सडनली हांवें आयकलां की ते चेअरपर्सन सांगता खंय तेजी कितें सायन ना म्हणून ती फायल वयला. सो आमकां खबर ना हे गोंयकारांकूच त्रास आहा काय म्हूण हे पावणी घेवपाक.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 in Margao.
A dead infant child was found at a garbage site in Gandhinagar, Vasco on Friday afternoon. Police are investigating.
Look at these visuals. The dead body of this infant was dumped in a dustbin at a garbage dumping site at Gandhinagar, Vasco. The police were informed. Now, the police and the local authorities are on site and further investigation is on. Watch to what the locals and the MMC has to say on this.
म्हाका एक अर्दे वर एक पावणे वरा पयलीं फोन येयलो अशें की हांगा कोणी ल्हान भुरग्याक अशें उडून गेला म्हणून. मागीर हांव आतां हांगा येयला जाल्यार पळयलें की ल्हान एक 9-9.5 म्हयन्याचो भुरगो तो कोणी तरी उडोवन अशें गेला ताका पूण अशें करप न्हू लोकांनी 1-2 म्हयन्याचो कितें आसा जाल्यार कितें तो भुरगो बरो नासलो कितें नासलो खबर ना थोड्यांची परिस्थिती बरी आसना मानता तुमी कोणाक तरी कळपाचें अशें कितें बाबा कितें जालें प्रॉब्लम अशें उडयनाकात हेजें कितें अंतीम कितें आसता तें करपाचें आसता अशें उडोवपाचें आसना खबर आसा सगळ्यांची परिस्थिती वायट आसा अशें करनाकात तुमी लोकांची 10 मनीस वायट आसता सगळे वायट आसना थोडे बरे मनीस आसा तांकां वचून सांगात तुमी अशें आमच्या घरान प्रॉब्लम जाला कोण ना कोण तरी येतलो तुमच्या फुड्यान आनी तुमकां हेल्प करतलो पूण अशें तुमी केला ते कोणूय जावन तो अशें करप न्हू तो खंयचोय जावं तो खंयचे वाड्यार जावं कितें जावं कशें करप न्हू हे म्हाजें हांव लोकांक मॅसेज पावयता कितें आसलेलें हेल्पाक लागून कावन्सिलर आहा थंयचो स्थानीक लोक आसा
ना हुआ है हमारा इधर जो डस्टबिन के अंदर बच्चे को लाके फेंका है बहुत बुरा मतलब मैसेज है हमारे लिए ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए और ऐसे होने के कारण ये भी है कि यहाँ पर बहुत सारा कचरा डंपिंग पड़ा रहता है उसके कारण कोई बाहर से आके ये सब चीज़ किया है अगर उनको नहीं चाहिए था ये बच्चा किसी को दे दिया होता है अनाथ आश्रम में छोड़ दिया होता या किसी को गरीब को देता तो फालतू बड़ा तो करता ये सिचुएशन नहीं होता ऐसा आगे ना हो ऐसा चीज़ यहाँ पर ना हो कोई जो किया है इससे हम रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि अगर वो सामने आके एक्सेप्ट करना चाहे नहीं तो हम पुलिस से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि इसका कार्रवाई करें जल्द से जल्द इसको कहीं पर फाइंड आउट करके इसको रेक्टिफाई करें हम यही रिक्वेस्ट चाहते हैं और यहाँ का लोग को भी रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कचरा इस तरह फेंकने से ये सब घटनाएं होता है आगे ऐसा ना हो हम लोग भी इसका ख्याल रखना चाहिए हम रिक्वेस्ट इनसे भी करेंगे
It is Hiru Mahale for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. India reported its biggest single-day jump of coronavirus cases after reporting more than 77,266 cases in the last 24 hours. This takes the total tally to 33,87,000. Also, India has reported more than 1,057 deaths in the last 24 hours. India has tested more than 3.85 crore samples till date.
A single-day jump of 77 to 66 cases, COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In the last 24 hours, 1,057 deaths were reported and 60,177 patients have recovered. Coronavirus pandemic situation in India. Cases 33,87,500, deaths 61,529, recovered 25,83,948. Here are 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 7.33 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Tamil Nadu 4.03 lakh, Andhra Pradesh 3.82 lakh, Karnataka 3 lakh and UP 2.08 lakh. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 60 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 37 lakh cases. India is third worst hit nation with 33.10 lakh cases, Russia 9.70 lakh cases and South Africa with 6.15 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Pednikars will not have a problem with the last riots of their dead anymore. Now a community crematorium has been built in the area, the Deputy CM Manohar Babu Azgaonkar said on Friday. There were many a time when there was a problem over cremating the dead in the area.
Babu was speaking on the issue of RTO function held in the area. Problems cremating people and even burying them depending on the religion has been a problem throughout the state. There has always been objection in many areas of the construction of crematories and crematoriums. The issue is still very sensitive one.
दुसरे गार्डनही तसे नसलेले गार्डन आम्ही कंप्लीट केले आणि गार्डनाक आता ज्यो सोयी जाय त्योय आम्ही आता पुढे सरून टुरिझमातले हांव करपाक पळयता कितें हा त्याच प्रमाणे तुम्ही जाणात की या पेडण्या भितर जी मशानभूमी अख्ख्या तालुक्या भितर सार्वजनिक मशानभूमी नसलेली जी पेडण्या नसलेली जो पडल्यातली व्हडली सोय आम्ही आज केली आणि ती मशानभूमी आम्ही बांधली टुरिझमातल्या आज सगळ्यांक आश्चर्य जातले की टुरिझमा भितरल्यान आनी एवढी व्हडली मशानभूमी मारू शकता काय म्हणून 1,20,20 लाखाची आम्ही मशानभूमी ती बांधली सगळ्यांक सार्वजनिक कोणी मनीस समज मेलो आला त्याचे संस्कार थंय करपाक मेळटा अंत्यसंस्कार थंय करपाक मेळटा त्या प्रमाणे आम्ही ती टॉयलेट आमची मशानभूमी बांधलेली आणि तुम्ही जाणात त्याच्याही खातीर व्हडल्यांतलो व्हडलो मेजर प्रश्न आसतलो तो आमी सॉल्व केला.
It is Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365.
Lionel Messi is a footballing legend. The magician has been an almost permanent fixture at Barcelona. Now he wants to leave and could most probably join Manchester City under his former manager Pep Guardiola. However, the deal might cost around 6,100 crore rupees.
Barcelona was shocked when Messi made his intentions known. However, there is uncertainty over the transfer as the transfer window is over as of now. Reports say that though Messi says he is eligible for that, Barcelona is not agreeable and there lies their problem. However, Man City is trying all avenues to get him to the club. The Goa 365 Bureau Report.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log in website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa 365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.